It was an overall amazing experience for me, and I say it because I speak in a lot of conferences and I attend almost more than a conference a month. But this conference is very refreshing in the way that the very knowledgeable and intellectual speakers were speaking on topics which are close to their hearts. So people who are owners, startup CEOs, founders, they spoke about how they did their business, how retail is relevant to them, what are the things. So you are seeing real life experience, and you're not seeing just run of the mill speakers who speak in umpteen number of conferences. So I would say it's very refreshing, and you feel like as if you are having a intellectual conversation with the speakers. So very refreshing. I think the one big key takeaway is that you meet with people who are in diverse business fields, and what are they doing in their own respective areas. As of today, as of now, it's not a case study which is 5-year-old or 4-year-old. This is happening now, today. So what are the learnings for you? I am picking up my learnings from each of the person who's speaking. So it helps me in my day-to-day life. I must first compliment Middle East Retail Forum for including a so neglected topic like logistics into a sort of marketing conclave, So which is, it really underscores the importance of logistics in the day-to-day retail affairs. Now Jumbo is going that extra mile. As I said in my speech earlier, that we are doing so many things differently which differentiates us from other retailers, because people place trust in us and they trust that we'll do the right thing for them. So we are going ahead, and logistics is truly the differentiator for us as far as Jumbo is concerned, because Jumbo brand name is well known, the trust that people place in us is well known. So we went a step ahead and we gave them which nobody else was giving, which was the next day delivery, the click and collect, you can buy online and collect from the store, facility of paying through credit card instead of cash on delivery. You may have run out of your cash by the last week of the month, but you can still pay through your credit card, which gives you some 40-50 days of credit. So those are those facilities, which were a logistical challenge, to be very frank, but we overcome them. So it has added a feather, we have the basic product right, we have the basic e-commerce platform right, we have a good brand image, people trust us. So this was like an added feather, which differentiated from us from the run-of-the-mill other retailer.